Hello everybody, this is Stephanie Kim Dinglas from Sagay National High School, and the title is Learning Styles and Learning Strategies Among Junior High School Students in Sagay National High School. Introduction. In Saudi Arabia University, the study revealed that 365 students that most of the female students prefer learning strategies over traditional rote memorization, showing significant differences in study habits between male and female students. In China, reveals that while age doesn't significantly affect overall learning strategies, it influences compensatory strategies, and learning time significantly impacts metacognitive processes, emphasizing the unique needs and challenges these students face, according to Chen and Zhang 2024. National. In Cagayan de Oro, Philippines, among 294 school students found a moderately positive correlation between cooperative learning strategies, particularly peer help, and overall health, with most students engaging in these strategies and maintaining a moderate health. Pangantihon and Tansyado 2024. Local. In a private higher education institution or HEI in Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines, this study was conducted with 297 students, revealing their struggles in visualizing mathematical concepts, particularly geometric transformations, along with their use of the strategies like self-reliance and seeking guidance, emphasizing the need for ongoing training and confidence building to enhance learning in mathematics. Veles et al. 2023. Research objectives. Number 1. To describe the level of learning styles in terms of listening skills, vocabulary strategies, speaking skills, reading skills, and writing skills. Second, to describe the level of learning strategies in terms of self-reinforcing, implication, positive association, applicability, and gradual approach. Third, to determine the significant relationship between learning styles and learning strategies. And last, to determine which domain significantly affects learning styles and learning strategies. Hypothesis. There is no significant relationship between learning styles and learning strategies among junior high school students in Sagay National High School. There is no domain, the learning styles that significantly affect the learning strategies of junior high school students in Sagay National High School. Theoretical framework. According to Kabi and Yalkanov's 2012, study highlights the importance of self-awareness in learning styles for student success, exploring how these styles, along with gender and departmental differences, affect the learning effectiveness of prospective higher education instructors to enhance teaching practices. Conceptual framework. The independent variable is learning styles, and the dependent variable is learning strategies. Indicators from learning styles are listening skills, vocabulary strategies, speaking skills, reading skills, and writing skills. While in learning strategies, those are self reinforcing, implication, positive association, applicability, and gradual approach. Research design. The study employs a quantitative, non-experimental design using descriptive correlational techniques to examine the relationships between two variables, detailing the methodology, data collection, and analysis strategies, and providing guidelines for interpreting correlation results, according to Matthews and Brodowicz 2024. Descriptive correlational design are essential for exploring the relationship between learning styles and strategies, enabling educators to tailor their teaching methods based on insights gained from the co-occurrence of these variables, ultimately enhancing academic achievement and effective learning outcomes by Dunn and Dunn, 1978. Research locale. Focus on the Davao region or Region 11 in the Philippines. The study will specifically take place in Barangay Sagayan, located in the municipality of Asuncion, Davao del Norte. Research activities will be conducted at Sagayen National High School. Population and sample focuses on junior high school students at Sagayen National High School from a total of 291 students. A representative sample is used Sloven's formula. A statistical tool. The questionnaire responses were analyzed using number 1, mean, measured the learning styles and learning strategies. 2, person R, assessed the relationship between learning styles and learning strategies. In R, regression analysis, identified which learning styles aspects influence learning strategies. Results in Table 1, Table 2, Table 3, and Table 4. In Table 1 shows the level of learning styles. Indicators are listening skills that has mean of 3.28 and the description level is moderate. Vocabulary strategies mean of 3.17, also a moderate. Speaking skills 3.28, moderate. Reading skills 3.29, moderate, and writing skills is 3.32, moderate. The grand mean is 3.27 and still a moderate. Table 2 shows the level of learning strategies. Indicators are self-reinforcing that has mean of 3.28, moderate. Implication 3.29, moderate. Positive association 3.38, moderate. Applicability 3.22, moderate. Gradual approach 3.28, moderate. And the grand mean is 3.29, also still a moderate. Table 3 shows the significance on the relationship between the level of learning styles and learning strategies. Table 2 shows the domain in learning styles and learning strategies. Summary of findings. The data reveal the following. Junior high school students at Sagayen National High School have a moderate level of learning styles with an overall mean of 3.27. 2. The level of learning strategies among these students is very moderate with an overall mean of 3.29. 3. There is a significant relationship between learning styles and learning strategies indicated by a probability value of 0.001, leading to the rejection of null hypothesis. 4. The evidence shows the self-esteem significantly impacts learning strategies as the probability value of 0.001 is below the significance level of 0.05. Conclusion. Learning styles levels among students are moderate. Learning strategies are moderate too. There is a significant relationship between learning styles and learning strategies. Learning styles significantly predicts the learning strategies of junior high school students at Sagayen National High School. These are the recommendations.